Lesson 4-5, Example 1. Our objective is learning to write equivalent fractions. So here we have a circle, and half of it is shaded in red. And we would say that we have two pieces, so our denominator is 2, and we have one of those shaded, so our numerator is 1. So numerator, denominator. Well, let's see what we could do if we take a look at what we could come up with these other two circles. Well, I can take this circle and I can break through this circle or cut through it horizontally. Now, the total number of pieces my whole is broken into is 4. So my denominator is 4. I now have two pieces that are shaded in red, so my numerator is 2. The same amount is shaded in both of these circles here, but in this case we've shaded 1 out of 2 pieces. Here we have 2 out of 4 pieces. So we would say that 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent or equal to one another. I could also look at this another way. I could say, I could break this up horizontally or cut it horizontally, and then I could also cut it diagonally this way and diagonally this way. And now those should be equal pieces. They're not exactly, but those should be equal pieces. I can say that I have this same circle, my whole is the same as those, and it's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So my denominator is 8, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces shaded in. So 4/8 is also equivalent to 2/4, which is equivalent to 1/2. We can also look at this if we were looking at rectangles. So let's say we have this shaded in right here. We have a whole, this rectangle, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces total, and 3 of those are shaded. So this is representing 3/4. Again, I can also take this same amount, this 3/4 here, and if I cut through my rectangle the other direction horizontally, this is still showing the same amount, the same shaded amount, but now I've broken this into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces total, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those shaded in blue. So I can say that 3/4 is equivalent or equal to 6/8. Well, I could also, if I take a look over here at the same setup, I have my rectangle, 3 shaded, so I have 3/4. But if I break it this way, and I break it this way, and again those should be equal pieces. I was off a little bit here. Then I have a total of 3, 6, 9, 12 pieces, and I have 3, 6, 9 of those shaded in blue. So I could say that 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. I can also say that 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12, and 6/8 is equivalent to 9/12 as well. So this is one way to come up with equivalent fractions.